Greg White?
He was a complex person with lots of layers.
So I think I would describe Greg as someone who was just incredibly committed, really dedicated to working towards health equity and using his own experiences to help inform how we can create a more just healthcare system.
Greg was a very unique kind of guy to me.
Some of the adjectives that I would use to describe him: passionate, unapologetic. He was just overall just this wonderful, genuine human being that I think had a really difficult life, and in my mind found a way to heal through CSTAHR. Hi, I'm Erica Martinez. I am currently a third-year resident at Stanford University.
Hi, I am Bella Mohapatra. I'm a family physician that works at Clinica Family Health.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie Garcia. I'm a fourth-year medical student in the MD and PH program at CU.
Hello, my name's Michelle Wheeler, and I'm a founding member of CSTAHR.
I think that CSTAHR really meant a lot to him because it was one of his ways of using all of his experiences with racism and the trauma associated with that to make our community better.
He helped create CSTAHR. He chose to invest in us and chose to teach us because he wanted to make healthcare better for people.
I think he valued most the relationships that he had with the students. He really thought that they were going to change the world in terms of, getting rid of racism in healthcare. He always kept us on track. He would always steer the conversation back to, so what are you going to do? And not just the individual. What are you going to do as a group? What is CSTAHR going to do as a group to end, racism in healthcare?
So this is a letter that I wrote to Greg. It was really just more of a personal reflection for me. I wrote it the night that he died. Dear Greg, I should have written this when I could have read it to you in person, but I missed that chance. So this is the best I can do. Actually, the best I can do is work throughout my life like you did to make the world a better place. I promise to listen to my patients with my whole heart, to consciously evaluate my own biases and the impact that my perceptions have on other people, and to work with others to create the world that you envisioned.
I know I'm going to be a better physician and a better surgeon for my patients because I met Greg. I think that his legacy was that each of us are going to carry a little bit of him to all of our patient encounters, to all of the projects that we're a part of. Speaking on behalf of all students and all current physicians, residents, everyone who has interacted with the CSTAHR community, I feel very confident in anyone who has known him that they are going to continue to work to fight against racism and discrimination in every way, shape, or form.